This is just a quick video to show you how to use our MusicOne document scanner along with Power Music AF. If you're using the scanner with AF, you need the TWAIN driver, which you can download from our website. If you don't know where it is, just drop us an email and I'll give you a link to the TWAIN driver. If you're using the MusicOne scanner with Power Music Professional, the driver is built in. Okay, so let's see how we do this then. So we go to Songs, we go to Add a Song, I want to add some music, and I want to use the scanner. Up here we see the name of the TWAIN driver, CamDS. If you have other TWAIN drivers installed on your computer, make sure you select the CamDS driver. The DPI defaults to 200 dots per inch, which is perfectly adequate for displaying music on screen, so I would just leave it at that. If you click on the scan button, you might get this warning coming up about the TWAIN driver. It's quite safe to use, so say yes, and it will launch the interface for the TWAIN driver. Now unfortunately we've got no control over the interface for the TWAIN driver. The writing is text is quite small on it, the buttons are quite small, but there's only 2 buttons you need to use. Now you'll notice this is a live scanner. I can put my hand under it, I can move the music around, I can do things like this and get it in the position I want. Once I've done that, all I need to do is click on the capture button down here, and that puts a thumbnail up here to show it's captured, and then click on the exit button and that puts it back into Power Music AF. So what we need to do now is rotate it and probably de-skew it to straighten it up, and we could probably adjust it to make it a bit brighter so that the background isn't too grey. You can spend a bit of time experimenting with this. Now since this is AF, you'd want to split this up into several parts. I'm just going to split it up into 2 pages, but you might want to split it up into a lot more than that, depending how large you want the music on screen. So all I do first of all is select the first page I want, which is this one here, and I'll say I'm going to add that as a page. And there is page 1 added there. I then select the second part I want, which is down here, and say add that as a page. So I've now split this document into 2 pages like that. If I had other pages in this music, I would put the next page in, scan it, and go through the same process again, adding the pages. I'm going to return. So you can now see there's the second page and there's the first page that I've put in. I can go on and do other things here. I can duplicate the page, I can edit it, and so on. I can change the order of them and do things like that. All I'm going to do though is return back to the main editor screen. I'll need to give it a title, so I'm going to give it a title, and the title will be Angels We Have Heard. Okay, put in the title, that's fine. I can now just save it, so click on save, and that's it, saved. And there it is, Angels We Have Heard. I can display that on screen, click on display, there's page 1, and then I can use the page down or the pedal to go to page 2. Now okay, if I'd spent a bit more time in this, I could have got rid of the greyness in the corner here by adjusting the brightness and contrast, but I think that demonstrates quite clearly how easy it is to put a piece of music in from paper using the MusicOne scanner. Remember, of course, it needs the TWAIN driver to do this. Okay, hope you found that useful. Bye.